to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating 3 different hairstyles for women with long hair. These styles keep your hair out of the way when you're going about daily life. Sometimes you bend down to get something and your hair comes tumbling over your shoulders and it's just in the way like that. So sometimes you want your hair to kind of stay where it is without having to be really fancy. So that's what these hairstyles are for. Let's get started. So I have these scarves that are going to be helping with the styles. This one, and this one. This one is really long, so we're going to have to fold this in half first. This style is really comfortable and all of my hair is completely out of my way. So if I bend over to pick something up or if I'm walking through the door, I don't have to worry about my hair getting caught in the door. That does happen sometimes. And another thing you don't have to worry about is when you turn around sometimes and someone's standing next to you and your hair just slaps them in the face. I mean, really you're just having a good time and you turn your head a little too fast and your hair is flying all over the place. But with this, you can turn your head as much as you want, or you can do anything. And it's nice, it's secure and tight, and it looks nice. This is essentially just for getting your hair out of the way. Now for the second hairstyle. We're going to be using this scarf, which is one of my favorite scarves, mainly because I just love the color blue, and a lot of my clothes are blue, so I wear it all the time. Depending on the scarf or head wrap you use, this hairstyle can look very pretty. So it's not just for when you're trying to keep your hair out of the way, but also if you want your hair to look nice, this is a good style for that. Now on to the next style. This time, we're going to do a regular ponytail. Well, that's it everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more hair videos like this.